I don't mind looking like a sofa, but I think online shopping has spoiled us all. Roadside people haggle and
People are ready to bargain.
आप भी बंद करो ना प्लास्टिक, क्यों आप कर रहे हो प्लास्टिक? I don't mind wearing a छोटा भीम watch.
She's nice bag.
It is no. I look like a crazy person.
Is your wardrobe too boring? Don't worry, we are too caring. सवाल ये है कि पॉकेट फ्रेंडली अच्छे कपड़े मिलते हैं कहाँ? Don't worry, because Gaga is here. And today we are at Linking Road for another episode of Gully Fashion. उसे चींटियों की आवाजें निकालनी आती है.
The bird.
साइन लैंग्वेजेस पर भी है इनकी कमांड. This actress is so much in demand.
जेल जाके आए हैं सब लोग क्रांतिकारी.
Okay, so let's start hunting for your look one, Ada. Do you have anything in mind, anything in specific that you want to shop for look
Never.
one?
I actually have a rule. I never have any specifics. I think it's more fun like that.
Oh wow.
Otherwise, there's no fun. If I want only a blue T-shirt with yellow flowers, I'm just going to be disappointed in life, and I don't like being disappointed.
That's
So मैं अपने options open रखती हूँ, and I'm open to anything.
Wow.
The pink one is also nice.
Pink one is also nice.
मैं
Yeah, but I
curtain
like
जैसे लग
this
सकती हूँ.
more.
Yeah. That kind of looks like a sofa ना. ये और बड़े size में है. I like to wear loose stuff like jewelry.
You
I
prefer
really
loose
like
stuff? Okay,
yeah.
okay, all right. नहीं मुझे
नहीं ये
ज़्यादा
color
पसंद-
yeah even I don't like that
That's
color.
that's too curtainy. So-
Yeah, that's sofa, that's curtain. ये बड़ा है. I don't mind looking like a sofa today.
But in that case, I just want to ask you, Ada,
हाँ.
how do you describe your style in 3 words?
Carefully disheveled.
And?
Very carefully disheveled. It depends actually where we are going. If it's a movie set, I'm obedient. I stick to the character and I do what I'm told to do. If I'm playing a cop, then I don't blow dry my hair and walk around like that. I put it in an oily bun. Kerala story and burqa, I will
Yes.
wear the burqa. I will not shade that. If it is 1920 and I have to look like a period film, I will look like an English lady. Should we like look around and come back maybe?
I don't mind either.
है ना?
Sure, we can do
Okay.
that. भैया हम एक चक्कर
चक्कर मार
आते
के आते हैं. I think we have a lot of people who are shopping with us
हैं.
today now.
But I guess more than shopping, they are here for you.
Okay.
I mean, that's what
Are we
street
picking
shopping.
male stuff?
I don't mind. I mean, fashion is genderless.
है ना? Can we go into these
We
gullies?
can
You wanna go
definitely.
in?
I mean, wow, that really sounds like a plan to me today. So do you keep shopping here in Bandra
I
since
do.
you have been
I
staying in
actually
Bandra?
do, Linking Road and Hill Road. But to be honest, after Kerala Story, this is the first time I'm doing roadside shopping.
Oh wow.
So I haven't gone out really,
But do you prefer street shopping more?
yes. But I think online shopping has spoiled us all. So
So you're that one lazy person who would prefer
I'm so
adding things
quick.
in the cart.
I'm actually very quick. I'm a 5-minute shopper. I'll be like,
Wow.
I want this, and then I'm done.
So
My
let's
size.
make it quick as possible
Yeah.
for you.
Let's
so
do that.
you
So-
wouldn't mind going
I
for some
actually
short
think-
pants?
yeah.
भैया
What do
जी
you think?
कहाँ है आप? मैम के साइज में शॉर्ट्स
नहीं
दिखा
नहीं ये
दीजिए.
मेरा size मुझे बड़ा चाहिए ये. This is very nice. This is quite nice, no?
Yeah, red. Why not?
What do you think?
Sure,
Okay.
sure. रेड तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. ये वैसे हमें चाहिए लेकिन आप इसका प्राइस कितना बोलोगे? और
नहीं नहीं फिक्स ही है. You know what people I feel that's another thing I really stand for. I feel कि people go to big shops and then they don't haggle there. This bag that's so much is for like 3 lakhs. People buy it, but when it's on the roadside, people haggle and
people are ready to bargain.
I think that's very bad. So
But again,
आप सही
that's
price
one
बोलो, मैं आपके
fun.
side से बोल रही हूँ.
That's
but,
also one fun part of street shopping.
I
you know?
don't feel fun. I feel very गरीब यार. मुझे
कितना
थैली नहीं
आपने
चाहिए.
कितना
नहीं कपड़े की थैली है.
I don't know how much. it is.
350.
Not bad. I'll pay him. I'll pay
No,
him.
you can't.
No, that's
I
my
can't
thing
let.
to do.
What do you
no,
mean
no, I'm
you
here
can't?
to help you style.
No, you help me
So-
style. You can't pay. I can't let you pay.
Okay, alright.
ये लीजिए.
So kind of you, Ada.
You want anything?
No.
Does anyone else want anything? Okay, I don't want a plastic bag.
Okay,
If
no
he has a
plastic bags.
cloth bag, then thank you.
I'll hold it in my
कपड़े
hand.
की
Thank
थैली
you,
है.
भैया.
नहीं.
We'll buy a
Plastic आप
tote
use
bag.
मत करो.
In
Yeah,
that
we'll buy a
case,
bag.
we'll
I
buy a
think we
tote
should buy a bag.
अब हम देखने वाले हैं some oversized t-shirts for you.
Yeah, I already like the Deadpool one.
Are you a Marvel fan?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Totally.
Okay.
What do you think?
इनकी size और oversize. आपके पास और क्या options है आप वो बता दीजिए.
Anime related. I don't know who this is.
उनको XL
वो
version
क्या
है,
है?
उनको oversize
वो हाँ. आप सोचो मेरे लिए नहीं है, किसी और के लिए हम लोग ले रहे हैं जो हाँ मेरे से 3 size. What is
Ada?
written here? Disgraced one.
No.
I think this is for me. Bye.
Why would you say that to yourself? नहीं ये बहुत
What if
ज़्यादा
we
heavy
take this
print
and wear it ulta? It's so nice.
नहीं बट वो फिटिंग वैसे नहीं आएगी ना. आप
I'm
और कुछ
on this.
दिखा सकते
I'm. This is very cool.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. आई थिंक मैम को ये पसंद आया है.
I don't
आप इसका
Chicago.
हमें प्राइस बता दीजिए. ये कितने का है?
क्या
आज
देखिए?
हम बार्गेन नहीं करने वाले हैं.
Thank you.
Alright, so it looks like हमारा look one हो चुका है.
Yeah.
But do you want to go for some caps or maybe
Yeah.
pair of glares? Yeah, we can
Yeah.
do that.
I think
okay.
you should go for
Alright.
caps.
Here we are. बहुत सारे options है cap में.
Yeah.
LV Gucci भी है. But LV Gucci
Like
का price
fake-
कितना है?
Fake ones. Actual LV no, but no, I don't want LV Gucci.
नहीं नहीं हम LV
Plain
Gucci करने
कुछ
वाले.
है, बिना कोई branded.
ना print ना brand.
कुछ
एकदम
नहीं.
plain टोपी.
हाँ.
Or do you want to do a bucket hat?
I don't mind that
है
bucket
ना?
one ना. That's
है?
really cute.
तो print अच्छा print दिखा दो.
I
आप
don't
दिखा
mind
नहीं
a
रहे हो ठीक
print.
से.
Music. Eh.
Yeah.
ये सब सेम साइज है.
You sure about that? मुझे फिर इस
This is
पे दिल
nice.
आ गया ज़्यादा. हाँ.
अच्छा तो ये रेड नहीं या रेड इज टू मच.
Let's do no to
ये
red.
दोनों चाहिए.
हम ये दोनों ले रहे हैं. 450, 450.
पार्किंग करें तो 650 750 बता दो.
That's actually ridiculous. It is much
I know,
less.
right? नहीं नहीं बैग हम
Bags
बिना बैग की
आप,
शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं आज.
शार्टला दे.
आप भी बंद करो ना प्लास्टिक. क्यों आप कर रहे हो प्लास्टिक? सब गटर, ये जो गटर है ना, वो प्लास्टिक जाके उसमें ये हो जाएगा. फिर
Guys,
कभी-
note this.
फिर बारिश हो जाएगी ना, फिर ये होगा, फिर रोड पे पूरा पानी होगा. फिर हम लोग रोते हैं और बोलते हैं कि कोई कुछ नहीं करता है, पूरा पानी है. फिर
कोशिश
हाँ
करेंगे जितना हो सके बंद ही हो.
नहीं तो 2-3 साल में हम लोग सब गए. तैरना पड़ेगा आपको यहाँ आने के लिए. मुझे यहाँ ऐसे स्विमिंग करके आई हैव टू से कि वो वाली कैप दे दो, ऐसे कर ऐसे करना पड़ेगा.
Bag
No,
वाला
no, no.
around.
So what
and
we
I
are going to
don't
do
see him
is
here anymore.
1 minute.
You're a jugadu. Full on.
Clearly.
Huh? Okay. She's making a bag with a t-shirt out of a scrunchie. Wow, that's
I'm
a
trying,
great
let's-
fashion hack.
Like this blue dress. What do you think?
It's pretty, it's fluid, it's girly.
You wanted to do a girly look second.
Yeah,
no?
I don't mind.
Yeah.
This is also
You want to like
pretty.
layer things or what?
I do,
I figured. So like you want to do this and then layer it with maybe.
but I
What do
think
you
my
think?
eyes are gone
pink
on
one?
the pink one.
Okay.
ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा common हो गया, even the print.
Yeah.
And I really
have
want to
100 things under
accessorize
it.
this particular dress.
Great.
So
Okay.
let's ask him for the price. नहीं
नहीं,
हमें
ये-
ये पसंद आया है.
ये.
इसमें डालूं.
हाँ ये मेरा बैग है.
This is nice bag.
It is no. Why are you using ये वाली थैलियाँ? कितना हुआ?
600 है.
6. Here. Thank you.
CRO का.
Okay. Now.
I think हमारे dress हो चुकी, so we don't need to
Okay.
enter in.
All right.
So we'll
Cool.
quickly jump on
Sorry.
getting some accessories for you.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes. Come. Acha, she's like, come. We have created a mess on the road. I think the cops will come and put us in, huh? Oh my god, no, these are very cute.
You wanna go for that?
Yeah.
आईना दे दीजिए.
Oh, you're my aina. Oh my god, ridiculous. I look insane. I love it.
कोई और option
I look
दिखा
like a
दीजिए.
crazy person. I
ये
love
दिखा
it. Kitna? What did he say?
250.
Oh, it's exactly good. Okay, we're gonna like somersault across.
Yeah.
the-
Since you are great at stunts.
In a skirt, I don't think so. Oh, this is full like hey, so nice.
Are you an evil eye accessory person?
I'm not any specific.
Mm-hmm.
Anything. You are an evil eye person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very spiritual, so कुछ भी evil eye,
Evil
I'll
eye.
buy wear.
This is quite cute.
You know, I mean, yes, that's so me, and
This
I
is-
don't mind you being that.
This is you.
Yeah, that's so me.
You know
that's
this, I
one
don't.
cool thing about fashion. You need to keep experimenting, and that's
And
when
there's
you get
no
to.
rule. I think that's the coolest thing.
है ना?
Pretty
Do you want to
much
turn the
done.
tables today?
Yeah. Let's go with this.
Okay. है ना?
It's humongous, but
Yeah.
let's wear this. Yeah. Okay.
Non-branded watches.
I mean, time मेरी मुट्ठी में है and वक्त मेरे साथ है, तो I'll
Well
wear any
said.
watch.
Well said.
We have some Shaktiman watch. What is this? Chota Bheem watch.
Chota bhi.
I don't mind wearing a Chota Bheem watch. Yeah. At
With
least
your
it's an
pink
action.
outfit, you mean?
No. Chi. With that first one.
Okay. Okay. I mean, sure. Why
It's
not?
at least not a fake thing. All these are like.
Also, it
Disney.
looks very cute.
Also,
Cute?
the time has stopped. वक्त थम गया है. So I think I should take this.
भैया इसका प्राइस बता दीजिए प्लीज.
200.
Okay, as we are about to buy this watch for you, I have a task for you, Ada.
Okay.
So are you all ready?
Always.
आप जानवरों की आवाजें निकाल सकते हो.
The bird.
The bird, yeah, the bird.
So if I do that, they'll give it to me for free.
आप फ्री में वॉच दे दोगे अगर वो
नहीं नहीं,
bird का
मैं फ्री में आवाज दे दूंगी. Yeah, ना lizards and all.
How? Oh,
Lizards do.
wow.
Crocodiles also must be doing something.
Crocodiles do?
No, but I'm going with
The watch and
Chota Bheem. Haan,
Okay.
and this. Yeah, where do we take it? I've taken money from my mother and she's given it to me in an envelope because she knows I'll lose money. हाँ, please दे दो. Like on the hair at least, maybe.
on the hair, or we just
This
like
is nice,
do
huh?
a nice.
Okay, something unusual maybe. ये दिखाएंगे please. This is nice. It's small though.
Since you were looking for something
I know.
to
I
cover,
was ideally I was
but
looking for
I mean,
something.
this honestly also goes with the look that you're
It
wearing.
does.
The t-shirt, the skirt.
You want to decide?
Sure.
This is nice.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind this.
है ना?
Cute. इसका आप बता दीजिए प्राइस.
This is very cute, but what to do?
हम ये दोनों ले लेंगे.
हाँ,
ये आप
दोनों।
रख ही लो.
है ना, for life I should.
In
ना?
case you forget this somewhere, then you'll have
have
a
this.
backup. ये दो.
कितना होगा?
Okay, so हमने look 1 and look 2 की shopping कर ली है. All we are left is with a pair of gladiator chappals for your look 2. That's for the pink outfit.
And you're
So
giving me fastest shopper award.
I will for sure.
है ना? Not pink. I think we should go for white. Sir, white में है क्या?
अच्छा
पर-
white में दिखा दो. I think white will look much better.
पर मुझे वो बड़ा size चाहिए.
I think उनके पास sizes है. He's very happy to show
Okay.
us more options.
Okay.
अच्छी बात है.
हाँ.
Oh, white looks rich as well and classy.
Oh my god! I finally found a shoe that's bigger than my foot size.
I
नहीं,
think एक
मुझे-
size छोटा दे सकते हो.
नहीं, एक size छोटा है, मुझे try करना है.
I think अब हम प्लास्टिक नहीं यूज
हम लोग
करने
नहीं
वाले.
use करते.
So,
आप भी
हम
नहीं
ऐसे ही
use
ले
करे.
लेंगे. Well, that was quite something.
We're going to address what just happened. We have to tell people what happened. We were doing illegal activities. You're not allowed to shoot with the
Guys,
camera.
we got caught while we were shooting.
And now there's a sound. The sound you can hear is the exhaust. The if you can hear, हाँ, वो sound दादा का fault नहीं है. He's doing great sound, but we are.
See?
And now since we are away from the cops, our sound guys and all got into prison. जेल जाके आए हैं सब लोग क्रांतिकारी.
There was quite a lot of drama, but that's something that we live for. Alright, so getting back, since we are waiting for our sandwich, I'm gonna do a quick rapid fire with you. So are you all ready? So starting off with heels or sneakers?
Heels, sneakers, both.
Black or white?
Black, white.
Okay. Leather or denim?
I don't wear leather. I don't wear other animals. I think it's very perverted. So
Okay.
denim.
Oversized or fitted? I guess I know.
You know the
Jackets or hoodies?
jacket with a hood. Jackets maybe. I
Prints or solids?
think I like print on
Prints,
print. The
huh?
wrong prints on
I've
wrong
seen that
prints
we've
also.
shopped
Yeah,
enough
yeah,
print
we've done.
today.
Yeah.
Okay, and lastly, your favorite fashion city? Is it Paris, Milan, New York, Mumbai, or Delhi?
Mumbai, you saw, we are like the best. We have everything. You
We
won't
have
get those
everything.
lehengas and all. We should have actually picked up a
For
lehenga.
affordable prices as
For
well.
affordable prices.
Might as well,
I
we can
mean,
just come back here.
We
now
should
that
maybe
we
a
know.
part 2 and
Yeah.
get arrested by the cops again.
Oh, finally, here's our sandwich. Without further ado, I want to get you styled in all the outfits and all the clothes that we have shopped for you in this tote bag. So are you ready and excited?
Very. The machhars who are eating me are even more ready and excited.
Alright, so let's make this happen.
I know you'll have a place for me to get ready and everything.
Uh-huh.
So when I used to go for auditions, this is after I did 1920 by the
Okay.
way. I used to still go for like a lot of auditions. After 1920, I got my first car. I bought my
How
first
sweet.
car with my own money then. And I used to take a dupatta and I used to change in the car. So I want to do that today and I think we should do that with these
Okay,
clothes.
I mean, if you're ready, then so am I. Let's
Yay.
make it happen.
Okay, let's do this.
I'm gonna show you the first look that we purchased. Is
1
this
liter water water bottle which is in the bag.
cool t-shirt which became your bag for like 5 minutes, I guess.
Yes,
We
quite
bought
nice.
this bucket hat along with it. This is what we purchased the first. Ye red hot shots.
With the shoes I'm
We
wearing
got
right
this very
now.
cute Chota
Oh
Bheem
yeah, the Chota Bheem watch. I forgot only.
and your glasses to
You
go
think
with.
this will fit me? I'm thinking this is a child size. Huh?
Then we bought this
Chota
look too. That's
Look
this
too.
very pretty pink dress, short dress.
This is a little experiment, huh?
With the shawl, we bought two options. One, this you may just want to use it, and we got this really cool pair of earrings. I guess that's a lotus, along with
Where our
these.
sound guys got arrested.
Yeah,
Because
sadly.
of, yeah.
That goes with the pink outfit. So let's get you ready, Hada.
Let's get me ready.
Okay.
And the camera goes.